7:23 and 15. Thank you.
Again, 363.1. Again, a Jake Hoffman by 46 Indian Chief Custom Bill of Sale. Very early post-war bike. Numbers matching.
And we do have the battery box, and a battery is back there for it. It did not get put in there because the fire marshal will not allow us, but it does have a battery box, and a brand new battery will go with this motorcycle. It's really a neat period bike. I don't think I would do anything to this motorcycle. I would leave the graphics on it. It was done a long time ago. It's got a neat period. It's a Roadmaster. Numbers matching. Very neat motorcycle to use just the way it is.
And here we go. Here, number 363.1. 50. 40, 30. 10 here. Now 12.5. Now 12.5. Now 5. 15. 15. 15. 15. Now 12.5 and 1. 15. 15. 15. 15. I got 12.5. 13.5. 14. Now 14. 15. 14. Now 15. I've only been 14. Now 15. 15 pound out all in now. At 14 now 5. Now 14 now 5. Now 14 now 5. Now 5. Now 5 and a dollar. At 14 now 5. Now 5. Gotta go. 14 now 5. Now 14. Ron, you've got something to say about that bike? Right? It's 14.
It's a numbers matching motorcycle with a very period paint job on it. I'm sure if you got your buffer and lacquer thinner out, maybe you can take that off.
Oh no, don't take that off. It's beautiful. Very tastefully done.
You know, it works for women, it works for men. Giddy up, it works for horses. You know, there's horses in every state, isn't there?
That's correct. That's correct.
I guess Rhode Island has a couple of horses.
I've been 14. I'm right there. 14. 5. 15. 15. You're on over there. Calvin, you're on 15. 5. Got it. 16. Thank you, Calvin. 15. 5 and 1. 16. 15. 5 there. 16. Going once. On and on now. And 15. 5 back to you, sir. 16. Going on back in. 16. 15. 5 up there. 16.
This bike probably has 9,000 original miles. It says 9,833 miles. It looks like a pretty neat old original bike. And we're way under
the money round up here. 15, 5.
Project bikes cost that much.
Now 15, 5, 16. 16. Last call. 16. 15, 5. You're in. It's 16. Going once. Start it down. Take it down. 16. You want back in. 16 and I. Hold a bid. Takes 18 grand to buy. 18 to buy.